lights gone. We ain't robbing, we ain't stealing. What's the issue? Why they killing us for no reason?
History books can't wait to tell of the generation that spoke up for justice. Protests with spaces online, hashtag the tweet and hold vigil on trend tables. Some put pen to cardboard, then raise this cause farther than arms can reach. Some sweat in traffic for this reason. Others sacrifice time, resources. We exercise restraint and in the face of conflict, redefine what it means to enforce the law. Some of us have lost lives for the cause, yet we persist in peaceful resistance for the green and white, so that we can all be better.
We died singing the national anthem.